Hi, this is Mary with the Great Outdoors University. Today I thought you'd do a little experiment to understand how the water travels through plants to reach the leaves and the flowers and the stems. So all you will need is a glass or a cup, some water, some food coloring, and you could choose whichever color you'd like, and maybe a stalk of celery and or a flower, preferably white, like a carnation or a gardenia or another flower you may have available. Place the stalk of celery and the white gardenia in the water after you've added some food coloring and let it sit there for several days and observe what happens. What do you think will happen when you place those in say, for example, blue water? What do you think will happen? Do you think the flower will remain white, or do you think the flower may change color? Do you think the celery will remain green, or do you think that you'll see a difference in color in the celery? Try the experiment and see what the results are. Have fun.